Hi parents and students, I'm here just to talk briefly about Year 12 Industrial Tech Timber and what we're working on, what we're trying to complete by the end of the year. Obviously the climate's a bit uncertain, but the plan at the moment is to have the students in on a Thursday each week, as long as we're able, to work on their major projects. NEST has advised us that the major projects are still going to be part of the HSC, and until we hear otherwise we're going to assume that is still the case. So I had a group of 6 students in yesterday, on Thursday, working through the production of their major project. I'm also sending out theory work to all the students so that they can get ahead on all of the theory component of the course, because that will all be examined in the HSC come the end of the year. We've got an assessment task that's just been issued electronically to the students, all of the industrial tech students, so that includes the graphics, the timber and the multimedia class. That will be their second assessment task, and they're basically compiling a report on the industrial processes that they're using in the production of their major project, and they are going to include that in their portfolio at the end of the year. But as part of that report, they're also looking at the less industrial process that what they're doing has replaced. So they might have been using the chisel mortiser. They would look at the historical process that would have been used, which would have been tenon saws, chisels and mallets, and doing a comparison of the efficiency of one versus the other. That's going to become due in the second week of term 2. At this stage we have the third assessment task, which they haven't been issued with yet, but will be due towards the end of term 2, where they're doing a bit of a presentation on their major project and how it's progressing. So as I said, they've got the option to work on a Thursday, so hopefully they'll be able to make a reasonable amount of progress towards completing that. The final assessment task, which would be their trial exam, is tentatively scheduled for the beginning of term 3. And that is assuming we're all back on site. So keep an eye on the Connect 1-to-1, and we will give any updates through that, through email and through Facebook as things progress. So I'm looking forward to seeing as many of the students as possible on a Thursday working on their projects and working online to make sure that they complete the requirements of the theory sections that have been sent out for them each week. So thank you very much.